Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the account owner in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our accounts page. So you can find it here in your navbar, or you can simply go to your app launcher and search for accounts. If you don't find them here, you can go simply to the personalize navbar and add the tab to your navbars. So add more items, all, and search for accounts. So from here, we need just to go back and access our accounts. Now we need just to find our accounts. I don't have any account here, so I'm just going to create one. So I'm just going to give it this name, just simple, and I'm going to save. And now I have created this account. So as you can see, we already, if we click on edit, we won't be able to change the owner. So to change our account owner, we simply need to go to the information or the detail view. So as we know, there is much to see here or many view to see in this page. And basically we need just to go to the account information here and simply we need to find the change owner button. By clicking on change owner, we will be able to change the owner of this account. So from here, you can transfer the open opportunities and uh, make sure to read everything carefully and choose the thing that suits you. So after that, you can send a notification email for them. It will be automatic. So it will send a notification email to the new owner so you can notify them that you have changed the ownership. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.